Hello, I'm in a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first open the hood. Then there's two areas. If it got really low, you can add straight to your radiator here, or you can add to your coolant reservoir here, which this is the main area you would add to normally. And there's on the side here, there's a max line. It's pretty far down, and a minimum. So you don't want to fill all the way to the top. There's supposed to be some air gap. And this system does work under pressure and gets hot, so this liquid can get to a boil, so you don't want to work on any of this while the vehicle's on or hot. So turn it off, let it cool down for a while before you mess around with this. But to add, when you're ready, just unscrew this cap. And this one does need replaced. This is pretty broken. But we'll unscrew that cap and then check your owner's manual. Look good online, so you've got the best coolant for your make and model. And typically you also want to match the same type of coolant and color of coolant that's already in here. Better not to mix and match if you can. But we'll unscrew here, fill as needed. Screw this back on nice and tight. And if you need to check this one too, you'll just push down. Again, make sure this is cooled off. But we'll push down and then it's switched about twice and this will pop right off. And you should see coolant right here. And then again with your diluted coolant jug, you can just add here as needed. Screw this back on nice and tight. And once you've added your diluted coolant to both of these and screwed them on, at this point I would start the vehicle for a few minutes, run the new coolant through the system. And that way you just check around to see if you see any coolant starting to puddle around anywhere in the motor, engine bay, around the radiator, under the vehicle. And if you do, that would be an indicator that's probably an area that's got a crack or leak, something of that nature that needs repaired, replaced. And a way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation is the coolant should have a slight coloration to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell, and you don't really want it on your skin, but so you have a glove on and feel it, it'll feel slightly slick compared to what water would feel like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.